Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're on the Yellow River, but what we're talking about is lapse in flood insurance and how it can impact your wallet. Flood insurance rates, higher mortgage payments, we're talking about some things like that. But before we get started today, remember, if you've got questions about flood education, flood insurance, flood zone changes, and even elevation certificates, make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can also check out our YouTube channel where we do these daily flood education videos. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, so we're here to help you understand flood risks like this right here and your flood insurance. So let's talk about this today. We're talking about lapse in coverage. Now, generally speaking, a lapse in coverage may not have much impact on your flood insurance rates unless you're going back to the same carrier. They may not offer the same rates. For example, we had a commercial client where their flood insurance didn't get paid by the mortgage company and there was a lapse in coverage. Their price went from $1,800 a year to $6,000 a year because the carrier had changed their rating models. But what happened is, of course, when they sent out the renewal 60 days in advance, they had to agree to a certain rate. But once the policy is not renewed or it reaches a certain period of time where it can't be reinstated, different rules could apply. So it was a major impact on this customer. Now, with most carriers, you may not see much of a premium difference. But where you could see a difference is if you go a month without coverage and your bank finds out, and they force place coverage on you at 3 times the price. This is generally where most people see the big premium coming out of their wallets. It's not really the difference in the flood insurance premium, it's the difference in what the mortgage company is charging. So this is something you really want to pay attention to. When you're setting up your flood insurance, making sure that they have the correct information, making sure the documents have been signed and things like this don't happen. So that's what we wanted to talk about today. So if you've got questions about these things, make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you understand your flood risks, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.